Good morning, Ma'am Ariel. This is my performance task in oral communication. The seven wonders of the ancient world. The seven wonders of the ancient world were a collection of remarkable constructions known to travelers in the Mediterranean and Near Eastern region. These wonders are often viewed as symbols of human achievement, though most of them no longer exist today. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. The only wonder still standing, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built as a tomb for the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu. Around 2580 before Common Era, originally covered in smooth white limestone. Casing it stood as the tallest man structure in the world over 3,000 technology at 3,000 years. Its sheer size, precision, construction achieved without modern technology continue to outlive the engineers and historical. The hanging gardens of Babylon. Described by breathtaking paradise of fierce gardens in flowing water, the hanging gardens of Babylon are believed to have been built a king Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife Anastasis. Media. Though their existence remains a topic of debate among scholars, the gardens were reputed to be an engineering marvel. With the lush vegetations rising above the arid Mesopotamian landscape, the statue of Zeus at Olympia. Crafted by the sculptors Pythians, the statue of Zeus was a monumental seated figure of the king of the Greek gods with ivory and gold-plated bronze at nearly 40 feet in height. The statue was housed in the temple of Zeus at Olympia and was one of the largest statues ever created in the ancient world. The Temple of Artemis in Issues 13. The Temple of Artemis was a dedicated structure dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis, located in the modern-day Turkey. The temple was rebuilt around 515 before Common Era after being destroyed by a flood. The temple was known for its immense size, grand columns, and elaborate sculptures, making it one of the largest known, most magnificent temples in the ancient world. The Mausoleum Halicarnassus III, built as a tomb for Mausolus, the Persian satrap Caria, and his wife Artemisia. The Mausoleum at Halicarnassus was a fusion of Greek, Egyptian, and Grecian architecture. Styles at nearly 140 feet tall, the mausoleum was adorned with stunning sculptures. Its beauty inspired the term of mausoleum for any grand tomb. The Colossus of Rhodes, Greece, a giant bronze statue of the sun god Helmus. The Colossus of Rhodes stood at the one entrance at the harbor of the island of Rhodes, standing over 100 feet tall. It was one of the tallest statues of the ancient world. Although the statue was destroyed by an earthquake in 226 before Common Era, it became an enduring symbol of power and achievement. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, also known as the Palace of Alexandria, this lighthouse stood on the smallest island of Paros in Egypt, towering over 330 feet. It was one of the tallest man-made structures of the ancient world. Its purpose was to guard the sailors' safety into the harbor of Alexandria, and its lights was visible for many miles and a beacon of hope for animals. the wonders of the world, whether man-made or natural, are testament to the extraordinary capabilities of humanity and the awe-inspiring beauty of the planet, from ancient pyramids to modern marbles, and from the grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the tranquility of the Taj Mahal. These wonders serve as our reminders of what has been accomplished and what spirit inspires us to dream, create, and explore. As we continue toward the future, these wonders will remain lasting symbols of our shared history and the limitless potential of human and natural achievement.